Okay, so this is the 1947 Luscombe wing that we rebuilt. Fuel tank, you can see it looks 77 years old. It's been acid washed and lined on the inside with EC776. All the fittings repaired. We had the whole rear spar was off. We had a bit of corrosion in places. Polished the corrosion out. Basically rebuilt the thing from scratch. All the anti-drag wires were taken out. All the threaded fittings were cleaned. You can see the strut attached fittings there. New wiring for the nav lights. Here we're busy masking the cables for the painting process. This is a new leading edge we put on here. Tricky little bit at the end here with a tape and what have you. We had to make fiberglass wingtip replacements because those we could not find, they were missing in action. This is the aileron skirt and the little new wingtip extension. These brackets we had to make new. This you can see now, the completely new bracket here. Here we've got the new trailing edge inboard section we built. Quite a tricky story, but this is all new structure because the ones we had were missing. Well, the ones we didn't have were missing. Yeah, so we're basically almost ready to cover now. We're going to spray and then cover the wing. This is what the fuselage looks like. Monocoque construction. It was actually polished when we got it, but there were too many minor damages to go with a polished finish. You can see a very dated interior, which we're going to be redoing. Firewall is in very good shape. Pressed metal, so it's a bugger if you have to replace it. But all in all, these are very nice aeroplanes. This is what an aileron looks like. They're pretty, they're nicely built. I mean, very, very light. But the problem you've got is that if you do damage, it's not just flat sheet metal repairs. And if you look at the aileron, like it looks like it's got a hectic twist in it. That's actually the washout on the wing, which is built into the aileron. It's got little roller bearings, very smooth ailerons.